Here I have SONY Xperia XZ2 and let me show you how to enable the backup data feature on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Here let's tap apps icon, find and select the settings. Now you have to scroll down and select system. From the following list, choose backup, and here let me enable the Google backup by using that switcher, and you just enable backup to Google Drive. The second step is to add the Google account to the backup account, so let's tap on the accounts. If you have some Google accounts added, you can use it. If not, let's choose add account. So here the device is checking info. It's important to have the internet access. Alright, and here you can do it in two ways. You can create a new account by using that blue link, or you may use the existing Google account. So in my case, let me use the existing one. Let's enter the email. That's it. Let's tap OK and next. Now it's time to enter the password. Let me do it. Alright, if you add your password, let's choose next. So let me tap next. You have to accept terms of service and privacy policy, so tap I agree. Let's leave the backup to Google Drive enabled, so then you will be easily restoring or switching phone at any time. Backup includes apps, app data, call history, contacts, device settings, and also the SMS. Let's tap agree, and that's it. You just enable the backup to Google Drive and add necessary backup account. Here we've got the content that is waiting to backup. Alright, so everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.